Okay, good morning. Here's a fresh trade-in we got yesterday. 2012 Honda Accord, 4-cylinder EXL 4-door sedan. This car is in immaculate condition for the year. It's got 132,000 miles on it. The gentleman that traded it in took very good care of it. The interior is super clean. As you can see, the outside, it still shines. The paint's still good. There's a couple spots, couple blemishes, but that's normal with a 2012 model. Being that we're going into the 2026 model year. But I mean, it's still got a lot of life left in it. It runs good, it drives good. He just had, service work done on it. There's no lights on. Just took it down the road and back. It actually is a clean little car for what it is. Leather interior, so lots of features. You got the gray leather on the inside. You got a moonroof. You got alloy wheels. You got heated seats. Lots of cool stuff. Again, 2012 Honda Accord EXL with only 132,000 miles on it. That's great for the year. Let me open up the back here, show you the back seat is super clean. Doesn't get any better than that. This is the way it was traded in. Super clean. It's going to go through our inspection. We're going to check it out from front to back, side to side, top to bottom. Make sure the brakes, the filters, the fluids, the tires, everything is up to specification. We back it with a powertrain warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. So rest assured, the engine, the transmission, the drive axles, all the major stuff on the car is going to be covered for the first 3 months or 3,000 miles. There's the miles on the car right now. Show you the infotainment here, the heated seat buttons, 2 keys there in the ignition right now. Nice clean leather, smells good, runs good, drives good. There's even a backup camera that they put on it here. Super nice in the rear view mirror. Come check it out today. Victory Honda, Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out today. Thank you.